Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Drake, here with the UnlockBoot official YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a hot topic that you guys have been asking for: how to unlock your T-Mobile iPhone 16. If you have any model of the iPhone 16, whether it's a Plus, Pro, Max, and it's carrier locked to T-Mobile, we've got the solution for you. It is very quick and easy. Let's get right into it. To begin, we will need a few things. Obviously, first we will need our phone. Next, we will need our 15-digit IMEI number. This can be found by going to Settings, General, About, or we can also type in *#06# on the dialer app and get it there as well. And last, we will need access to the internet via any internet browser that we have. So the first step in the process is to head to our website, and the link will be down in the description below, to store.unlockboot.com. Once you're here, you're going to navigate to the unlocking section and select T-Mobile iPhone 16 Unlock. Once we have this, go ahead and enter in all of the information requested, including the 15-digit IMEI number that we got earlier. Once this information is inputted, go ahead and click Unlock Now, and go ahead and proceed to checkout. After completing checkout, you receive an email from UnlockBoot stating the allotted wait period for the unlock to finalize, and after that period, you'll receive another email once the unlock is complete. And just like that, our phone is unlocked from T-Mobile, and we can verify this by entering any other SIM card into the phone and making sure that it works with another carrier. As long as we can make phone calls, send texts, we are all good to go on the new carrier, and our phone is factory unlocked. Again, this was a very fast and easy tutorial for you guys for how to factory unlock your iPhone 16 that is locked to T-Mobile. If this tutorial helped you guys, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new, as we'd greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.